We've previously discussed a few of the several new features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but today we have more fascinating features from Samsung to share with you. Bennett Brunner, who gained notoriety for disclosing details about One UI 6.1, has disclosed 6 more intriguing features that the Galaxy S24 series will include. One way to do this is to convert speech to text. You may also translate text into many languages and put recordings, meetings, or lessons into written text for easy access. 2. Circle to search. Hit and hold on the home icon to get more information about anything you see on your screen, such as a photo or web page. You can tap or draw a circle around it to bring up a more detailed Google search. The S24 has a feature in the Fast panel that allows you to translate conversations with its 3 built-in translators. You may choose to read or hear the translations. The S24 has 4 sophisticated editing tools that are akin to those on Pixel phones, enabling you to reposition subjects or objects in images and even enlarge them. The 5th feature is Browser Assistance, which is useful for swiftly understanding lengthy or multilingual websites by summarizing or translating them. The 6th is Wallpaper Masking. With the new wallpaper option, you can now choose a subject from a scene and add artistic styles or remove the frame to make it stand out. There's also an updated calendar clock style that shows the time and your to-do list. Additionally, customers of the Galaxy S23, Z Fold 5, or Z Flip 5 have good news. For the majority of compatible Galaxy phones and tablets, One UI 6.0 has been made available. The next big update, which is UI 6.1, is what everyone is looking forward to over the next few days. According to recent reports, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will once again use Exynos CPUs in Asian and European markets. However, variants with Snapdragon chips may be available in select regions. A recent report from Wind Future claims that Exynos processors will be available for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in Europe. A unique Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for the Galaxy processor, that includes a quicker Prime CPU core than the ordinary version, is also expected to be included in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to reports, Samsung Foundry's 4nm processor, the Exynos 2400, has a primary CPU core called Cortex-X4 that operates at 3.2 GHz. 3 Cortex-720 cores at 2.6 GHz, 4 Cortex-520 cores at 1.95 GHz, and 2 Cortex-720 cores at 2.9 GHz are also included. These frequencies are marginally less than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 standard. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.